Let's take a look at another key benefit of PreBilt: the ability to customize standard SAP messages. In a traditional setup, you might see messages like suitable warehouse orders were not found, which doesn't provide much clarity to the user. With PreBilt, this can be replaced with something far more meaningful, such as, there is no further work in your queue. Report to your supervisor. This helps reduce confusion and keeps the process moving smoothly. To do this, you will need to know the logical transaction for the screen where the message appears, which can be found by selecting the technical information icon. Once you have this, head over to the PreBilt configuration transaction and navigate to the logical transaction. Select the line and select logical step/screen in the dialog structure. Now we need to find the correct display profile, which can also be found by selecting the technical information icon in PreBilt. Select the appropriate line and select Message Overrides in the dialog structure. Select New Entries to add a new entry. Input the language and the original message template, which can be found by selecting the technical information icon in PreBilt. Next, input the replacement message template, and once saved and assigned to a transport, the new replacement error message will now appear in PreBilt.